Hi everyone, it's Teacher Patty with my assistant,
Theia.
and we are going to be making some gold for our Old West camp. Now, normally what we would do at school is one of the teachers would spray paint the gold and then we'd hide it in the sandbox and kids would try to find it. But since we can't do that, unfortunately, I thought it would be fun to show you how you can make your own gold at home. And the reason that we're doing it for the Old West camp is there was a large group of people who came to California, also known as the Old West, to pan and to dig for gold. So, first thing you need are some rocks. Thea, now where did we get these rocks at?
From the river when we went camping.
So we got rocks from a river. But you can find rocks all sorts of different places. Just make sure that your parents say it's okay to take those rocks. So you get yourself some rocks. And there are 3 different ways you can make gold or silver, because people also did look for silver as well. First, paint. Now, I have the bio paint here. I also included yellow because if you don't have gold, you can use yellow as well. And I mixed it up, and I mixed up together gold and white because the white paint makes it a little bit more opaque so you can't see through. So that's one option. The next thing you could do is just take some glue and mix in some gold glitter. Now, Thea was noticing earlier that this looks really white. This is just Elmer's glue, so once it dries, it will just be glittery. So you could do that. Or if you don't have any gold paint or glitter, you could also make some silver using this stuff. Thea, do you know what this stuff is?
Tin foil.
Tin or aluminum foil. So we're gonna show you, will you pick a rock for me to cover, Thea? Which one do you think we should do? Show you that method. That one? Great. So you take your rock, you take your tin foil, you can either cut it or tear it. I'm just gonna tear it so it's the right size. You just want a little bit of extra. You put it right in the middle, and I'm gonna pick the extra shiny part. And will you help me, Thea? We're just gonna I'll fold it over, and you fold it over the other way. Yeah, make it really tight. And you know what? If you have a lot of extra tin foil, I'm gonna just pick it up, and you can even tear some off. That's the thing, it's really easy to tear yeah. Why don't I tear this off, and then you can put it all the way on for me. Okay, now you put it all the way around. It's almost like wrapping a present. Can I help you a little bit? There we go. Awesome. And now you make sure you really press it down all around. You don't want it can be a little bit pokey sometimes. Perfect. And now you have a beautiful piece of
Gold.
or silver, which is also very valuable. So that's one way. Now, Thea, which way? Should we paint it or should we do glitter? What should we do?
Glitter.
Okay, so why don't you choose which rock you want to paint?
This one.
Okay, and so I have some cardboard here too to help keep it clean. And you can put it right on. Now you have to be careful because the glue is sticky, so what I'm gonna do is put out a little piece of parchment paper, and that way when it dries, the parchment paper won't stick as much. Or wax paper actually is better, wax paper, so it won't stick to the glue. You could also just paint one side of it, wait for it to dry, and then paint the other side. Okay. You could also paint it with the paint and then put the glitter on top too after it's all dry. All right, my friends, and I think what you should do is when you're all done, or my suggestion, is when you're all done making your gold, if you have a spot in a yard or somewhere fun, you can hide it and then try to find it, just like the prospectors did. Okay, and so we'll let that dry, and it'll be a beautiful piece of
Gold.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your help. I hope you guys have fun digging and panning for gold. Oh, what did you want to say, Thea?
After it dries, can we paint all around it?
Yes, we'll let it dry and we'll paint it all around. Okay, friends. All right, till later.